Hey, it's Tuesday Tip Day, and guess what we're doing today? We are talking about the 5 most important things to do to keep your pool happy during the winter. So if you've got a pool here, especially in Texas, these 5 important steps will help you not only save money, prevent damage, and keep you from dealing with nasty surprises in the spring. And stick with us till the end because I'm going to give you a bonus tip, the one winter pool mistake that cost homeowners the most money and how to avoid it in under 30 seconds. Tip number 1 is balance your pool's chemistry. The first step is you want to balance your pool's chemicals. Even though you won't be swimming much, the water's chemistry still matters. Keep your pool's pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness within range. This prevents staining, scaling, and algae growth throughout the winter months. And trust me, fixing chemistry in the spring is way more expensive than doing it in the winter months. Tip number 2 is clean it like you mean it. Give your pool that deep clean it probably really wants. Brush the walls, skim the surface, vacuum the bottom, clear out leaves, dirt, and debris. The cleaner it is going into the winter, the less work you will do when you have to open it back up in the spring. Plus, organic junk sitting in there all winter long, not a good thing. Tip 3, lower the water level if needed. Depending on your pool type, you may need to lower the water levels. Some pools require lowering it below the skimmer level while others don't. So double check your manufacturer's guidelines or ask your pool service. The point is to prevent freeze damage to your skimmers and the tile line if temperatures drop below freezing. Tip number 4, protect your equipment. This is a step most people forget. Wrap exposed pipes, insulate valves, and make sure your pump, heater, and filter are ready for colder nights. If we get another sudden freeze like we've had in the past, you'll be really glad you took an extra hour to protect your equipment. Repairs on this stuff are not cheap. And tip number 5 is run the pump during freezing temperature. And that's a big one. If temperatures drop near freezing, run your pump. Moving water is less likely to freeze, and that protects your plumbing and your equipment. And a lot of modern systems have freeze protection built in, but don't solely rely on that. So keep an eye on freezing temperatures and turn that pump on before it happens. So there you go, the top 5 things to get your pool winter ready. A little prep now saves you a lot of headaches later. Okay, and here's the bonus tip I promised. The number 1 mistake most homeowners make is turning their pumps off during the winter months to save on electricity. They're not. They're risking cracked pipes, damaged equipment, and thousands of dollars in repairs. So again, here's the simple fix. So when temperatures get close to freezing, keep your pumps moving. Flowing water doesn't freeze, and it protects everything you've worked hard to maintain. That one step saves more money for homeowners than everything else on the list. And if you want more practical tips like this every Tuesday, please hit that subscribe button and click like. We love bringing them to you. And if you have a tip that you'd like for us to give some details on, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.